Nene Abiriw Eba former MP dan Kwame in the beginning of the as a engineer material. Mena asokra Akuapem. Mena asokra education. Efimo eneba. No buru na di sakre. No Yakopon. Adu se monaka ko ya mali EBS no ekres. Anuam. Yesa tanaka di timi ala. Nyula. Me jasene abitulisa bitulie. Me as adisanade to me akure mo abainte DC no mo MP ya prensa esimieta ene fiase de frenzi ya tribto no mo cretemto mode ene sports complex mo fei na mansia ene market the blue market waka teachers quarters at the nation among fiase we have pray say and the moment they say and the guy will go politics then next year ne yi ko ta bokai bypass at fiase tu sais force complex at titrima c'est any wura ibane ni buye be critère de ça. Force à payer à Tanaba Ghana, on peut dire qu'il y a des bureaux, on va dire qu'il y a un critère. N'a so na mon casse, on dit que nous sommes chaque année de mon cas. Donc, ça ne va pas. Et si ça, on est fini bien, nous sommes bien sur place. Non, il y a ça, petit tour à tenir déjà. Ma colle. Et puis, après, là, moi. Moi, je n'ai pas peur, non, ici, dans la carte. Moi, je n'ai pas peur. Le pays, il est second. Tibeta, Tibeta. C'est-à-dire, ok. Tibeta. Il est tout c'est ABC. Il est tout c'est ABC. Structures. Boarding facilities. Bon, c'est bien cool. Minister of Education will do, but MP, no more, DC, Akuapem Galeso, ne Simon, tu as vraiment vous êtes bien, c'est bien, ne remarquez-le bien, toi tu as fait, il y a un asset, ça, et tu as donné des bonbons, il y a, non, je suis bien, au moins, à couler, bien, je sais bien,
while we reassess our past and plan for the years ahead. I'm grateful to God for granting us the grace and mercies to live through this passing year. We pray that He guides and leads us through the ensuing year with good health and prosperity. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, festivals are not only for celebrations. They also provide platforms for us to appraise our past performances and initiate plans for future growth. The theme for this year's Eba Festival is Return and Reunite for Development. Basically, we invite all our citizenry, both home and abroad, to join forces with us as we collectively develop our motherland. Indeed, as the tenets of our national anthem goes, our forefathers and ancestors toiled and sacrificed their lives to bring us this far. It is therefore incumbent on us to continue where they left off. We cannot afford to let their labor be in vain. Our ancestors, the clergy, traditional authorities, social and political leaders have sacrificed much to uplift our generation to this state. So we cannot afford to let their toils be wasteful. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen of the Okre district, give us a fair share of the national cake. Thanks to the unwavering efforts of Honorable Dan Beku, the immediate past Member of Parliament for Okri. He and the local government undertook various developmental projects in our infant districts, such that our district was run as one of the fastest growing districts in the country. The baton has now passed on to a new administration. We have no doubt that the new team will even do more to further boost the fast pace set by their predecessors. We appreciate the government's determination to continue with development projects initiated by the past administration. In this regard, I appeal to the government to complete fencing of the multipurpose football field, as well as the upgrading of our bypass and the road networks that lead to the field and its environment. Economic activities that will be generated when the field is opened for use will be enormous. Games like football, netball, volley, tennis, and other recreational activities, both locally and nationally, could be played at the stadium. These activities will create more trading and job opportunities for our youth. Honorable Regional Minister, and by so saying, will refer it to the DCE, since the Minister is not here. Eminent government officials and distinguished guests, the one-time famous Abiriw market that was the center of economic and trading activities on the ridge here is now obsolete and needs to be given a facelift. I therefore appeal to the government to consider the reconstruction of the Abiriw market. The age-long established goodwill of the market, its strategic location and easy accessibility, good road networks, reliable water and electricity supplies will facilitate its reconstruction and easy operation, and also generate substantial income for the district assembly. Honorable guests of honor, Nananum, ladies and gentlemen, our Seventh-day Adventist basic school is in a deplorable state. The situation makes teaching and learning unattractive compared to other schools. I therefore appeal for support and upgrading. The following standards of education, evident by the recent poor results of our students in our senior high schools, must be a concern for all. We must embrace initiatives by the district assemblies to curb child delinquencies and encourage our wards to keep to their books, for that is the surest way to be successful in life and contribute effectively to the development of society. We need to improve upon our educational facilities, social life, moral discipline, health standards, water and sanitation matters, recreational and environmental degradation, and strive to make society and the world at large a better place for us all to live. These tasks require collective effort by all to accomplish. I therefore embrace the call to come together for the collective development of our society. On this note, I once again welcome all of you to this function. I hope that proverbial Akuapem hospitality and generosity would inspire you to associate with us at the future festival celebrations. This is the welcome address of Ogyeahoho Kwame Henaku II. Thank you very much, and thank you.